I'm going to make a video of unboxing of the first time such expensive item I bought. I used to buy quite expensive Gucci or Versace shoes, but I never bought a clothing item. So this is a bomber jacket from the Etro Fall Winter 2018-2019 collection. And I'm going to open this for the first time so you can see my reaction. Okay, so it's like this. I like the packaging. Wow. Wow. This is really damn nice. I already have the Etro bag, so I'm quite familiar with this packaging, and the sticker is also familiar. Okay, looking very classy. Let's open this. It's not easy to do it with just one hand, but okay. By the way, yeah, my shirt. If you wanna know when I bought it in India, in Jaipur. Actually, it was made for me, tailored. It was about 50 USD. Okay. Wow, I'm excited. Okay, more packaging. What is it? Not easy with one hand. Etro, thank you for shopping at Etro Boutique. This is just showing how much I paid. And this is if I want to return. Okay, I just put this and they will pick it up for free. Okay, Etro Jacquard bomber jacket with embroidery. And where's the price? 2,240 euro. What the fuck? I must be fucking stupid to spend so much money for just a not that big jacket. Okay, of course, there's this boy, Etro Milano. Okay, let me close this. So you put it here and open it here. This is nice, you can use it as a bag. And let's open this. Unzip. No, I want to see you already. Okay. Oh, wow. I hope it's a good fit because I'm not going to return this. This is small size, and this is how it actually looks. And I must say it's pretty damn amazing. I think I'm going to make another video about this jacket. Stay tuned.